How to upload high quality pictures on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner, and from this given list click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down till you find a section that says your app and media. Then from that section click on the option that says data usage and media quality. And here you will see on this page that there's a section that says media upload quality, and it has an option that says upload at highest quality. As you can see here, it tells you always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we'll automatically adjust upload quality to fit network condition, etc. So the next step from here to upload your pictures at the highest quality possible is to click on the toggle next to that option, which will turn it on. And by doing that, from now on, all of the pictures and photos that you will upload on Instagram, they will be uploaded with the highest quality possible. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload high quality pictures and photos to Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.